Ngayon po, Mr. Chair, Mr. President, may alam po ba kayo sa insidenteng ito? O nabalitaan niyo po ba ito?
Wala po. But kung totoo yan nangyari, I would strongly suggest that yung anak ko at yung minention mo, that's my son-in-law,
Yes
to
po.
file a case, and I'm urging the prosecutors to do their best to file a case in court. That is the remedy. Unless patayin natin, but that is not, anak ko. The best remedy is really to go public, expose them.